I'm going to be comparing a professional baseball player to an amateur pitching a fastball. This is the professional pitching, and we're going to point out the techniques and mechanics that should be used. The first phase here is the winding phase, where the winding leg should be raised as high as possible, and it's almost, if we notice here, he tucks in his leg as he brings it up. And again, at this phase, standing leg should be almost in line with the head. As he comes out, his trunk is going to rotate in this direction. And if we notice here, a slight pivot of the standing leg. And what is one of the most important mechanical factors in applying the force to the ground is that the force travels through the body to the arm. And if we notice, we have an almost perfect 90 degrees flexion in this player's arm here, which is very important as the shoulder muscles are going to rotate backwards and whip the forearm forwards, almost like a whiplashing motion, a little bit like a catapult. As he decelerates, you're going to see how far his leg actually bends. And that's his striding leg. It almost locks out to decelerate the body from the moment that his ball has left his hand. See, we have a slight bend here, straightens out. Another movement or position of the body that is important at this phase, just after the ball leaves the player's hand, should have a nice straight line here. And his standing leg externally rotates. We're now going to compare myself and see if my technique needs improving. If we notice straight away, my leg here isn't tucked in. We have the same trunk rotation. However, if we notice in my right arm, we don't have that 90-degree flexion. It is in fact just over 100 degrees. So that straight away needs cleaning up. The ball needs to be closer. And my deceleration phase is very poor. I don't have that line after the ball has left my hand. We don't have that line. My arm should be within that line. And it's down here.